Welcome to our tutorial on RepairDesk's deposits feature. In this video, we're going to guide you through everything you need to know about handling deposits within RepairDesk. Here's what we'll cover: enabling the deposits feature, collecting a deposit on a ticket, making adjustments to the deposit invoice, and refunding a deposit invoice. So, let's dive right in. First, head to Store Settings and scroll down to find the Deposit section. You'll be asked if you take deposits at your store. Select Yes to enable the deposits feature. This action reveals additional settings where you can specify a standard deposit value to collect for each transaction as a percentage or a flat rate. If you need to charge tax on deposits, click Yes on the subsequent option and then choose your tax class. Don't forget to hit the Save button to confirm your settings. Now that you're all set up, let's use the feature. Navigate to the POS screen and start creating a ticket as usual. On the Details page, before adding the ticket to the cart, you'll see a new option called Charge Deposit. The deposit amount will automatically fill in according to your predefined settings, but feel free to adjust it if necessary. Confirm by clicking Confirm, and the ticket will be added to your cart with a separate entry for the deposit. Ready to collect from the customer? You'll notice the repair and the deposit are now listed separately in your cart. Click Checkout to collect the deposit and create an invoice. The ticket will be generated post-deposit collection. To finalize the original invoice, reopen the ticket by going to the POS screen using the View Tickets button and hitting Open next to the relevant ticket. Your cart will show the original item minus the previously collected deposit. Select Checkout to process the payment for the remaining balance, which will generate a new invoice once completed. If you need to issue a refund from the POS screen, click View Invoices. Locate the invoice to refund and select the Refund button. Please note, a refund on a deposit isn't possible if its remaining amount has been paid in full. For more information, check out our knowledge base or reach out to our support team at support@repairdesk.co. Thanks for watching.